Flowers filled with buzzing bees, and places we won't walk. Neon lights shine bold and bright. Buildings grow at dizzying heights. People come alive at night, and places we won't walk.
The biggest benefit, the grandest characteristic of my type of vacation is to be 100% non-compromised, to unapologetically decide that dinner tonight is 2 chocolate bars, a banana, and a water with a glorious sunset. I guess my vacation to some is odd. To me, I couldn't imagine any other way. I am undisturbed, I am tranquil, I'm at peace, I'm serene. I'm anything but lonely. I'm definitely not alone. My friends, I have so many angels around me, I should take out a restraining order. But don't be afraid to be alone in your head with your thoughts, your ideas, and your dreams. Because only until you actually hear them can you live them. Good morning. The island is having a power outage. But you know, to truly enjoy this, you don't care when the power is out. The idea that the Wi-Fi is not strong, for most people, it's a blessing. Hello, birdies. I'm so happy I could save your family. This is one of those days that I'm packing up and headed to a new island. So here's the story. I don't know what's going on. Before we get on that airplane, this has to change. So either we're going to be donating some things to some locals, or a place that sells a bigger suitcase. Yeah. I should know better. I should know better. Hello, good morning. Let's go have a cup of coffee. So, beautiful place, wonderful island. The electricity goes on and off, and the Wi-Fi is sketchy at best. But in all fairness, I'm not really supposed to be posting YouTube videos from here. That's a whole thing, yo. An Instagram thing, look how beautiful. So what happened is, after 2 days of trying to upload, something finally came. The video mentions the coffee link, and y'all have been generous and hit me up. So generous that many of you have sponsored 1 cup of coffee. Are you ready? Andy, thanks for the coffee. Wanda, Moby, Nick, Vasquez, a cup or a chocolate croissant. Thanks for an entertaining traveler. Thanks for these, and thanks for the meatball videos. You're welcome. Tammy and Mr. Ricky says, so cool to be able to buy you an espresso and maybe even a chocolate croissant. Love your travel videos, and we also love meatball. You know, I love them too. I miss them. In fact, I really even miss seeing all the stray dogs. Next year is my big 60, and 2 friends from high school and I are wanting, there's no want, y'all, wanting to visit the Greek islands. Your videos are convincing us. Yes. All right, safe travels, Tony, and enjoy. I shall. And thank you for the croissant and the coffee, and I encourage your want to become your reality. Susan and Lucas, thanks for the coffee. We always enjoy watching meatball videos, and I enjoy your travel videos and vlogs. Thanks, and have a great time. Oh, I will. Donna, it's such a pleasure to buy you an espresso. Love your talent and willingness to share your beautiful travels with us. It is my pleasure. Kim K. In honor of Greece, I had my chocolate croissant and double espresso on Tuesday in Henderson, Nevada, right? Piper says, cheers from Canada and enjoy the rest of your trip. Oh, I will. And Patricia Hunter, which is going to give me a heart attack with the 5 coffees. Please enjoy your espresso and chocolate croissant. I enjoy your videos, whether it's meatball or you or you're traveling. Enjoy. I do. Oh, this is so gracious, y'all. Thank you. Do I need this? Not really. But somebody told me never deprive people the ability to somehow say thank you. So you know what? Thank you. Thank you. Let's go have breakfast. My hotel. Perfect. Breakfast is at 8. Whoa. All right, Tony, come on. I am getting a little sad. Sad that I missed it for the summer. But I couldn't put this island connected to the summer trip. So it's either this or not at all. So thank you to everybody for this double espresso. Yeah.
Coffee time. My dreamy friend, it's coffee time. Let's listen to some jazz and rhyme and have a cup of coffee.